Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World share markets rose and the dollar was anchored at 5-week lows on bets of a possible slowdown in US monetary tightening and after an easing of COVID restrictions in China. MoneyGram will still add stablecoin USDC to its money transfer services, despite the Terra collapse. We're trying to be a bridge from the crypto world to the fiat world, CEO Alex Holmes said. Tesla is ramping up again in Shanghai. Two sources say the firm's factory there is back to nearly 70% of its pre-lockdown output. Shanghai has faced 2 months of citywide restrictions.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's HICP will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment rate at 7:55 GMT. The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 13:45 GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices will be released at 1300 hours GMT. Australia's current account balance at 0130 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.